the waves. Good morning, this is Davidson here from Malibu, California. We got a surfer by his own, enjoying this beautiful day. The guys are high, look at him. Oh, wow. He keeps taking those beautiful waves, one after the other one, and then he goes. He wants to reach those beautiful waves. He picked the right one, and he dies. Beautiful. Yes. Let's go back to him. Okay, he's going to take that one. He missed it. He didn't follow enough. And then what about that one? Yes, he is going to go for that one. Oh, wow. Nice and smooth. Relaxing. He's one with the waves. These are just the children of the ocean. I see them playing with the waves, and they always have so much strength, so much love for the water and respect, and always they have a beautiful smile, beautiful energy. Look at him. Yeah. Soft and easy, balance, coordination. Yes, I'm filming you, and he likes it. You see? I love that. I love that. And then I'm going to offer him if he wants the video. I know that he said, no, that's okay. That's the way they are. They are not possessive, they just enjoy the waves, the ocean, nature. And I do too. I'm going to keep walking. I need to be with these waves. Oh yes, he's going to take that one. That one is a big one. Oh wow. Stop. Beautiful footwork. Look at him. Oh, he is just amazing. Yeah. Do you want the video? Do you want the video? Do you want the video? I can give it to you.
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah, what you're doing is great.
Thank you.
You're like a, like a child,
Yeah.
playing with the ocean.
Thank
What is your name?
Mike.
Mike.
Yeah, Mike Davidson.
Okay, and how long you? Lena Gallucci.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So tell me, yeah, that's my son. Yeah, tell me, for how long you've been surfing?
Well, I'm from New York originally, and I've been surfing since I was like 15, maybe.
Oh.
But I moved out here like 7 or 8 years ago.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Great move.
It's a lot easier to surf here.
Yes, and I can see the way you do it. It's very natural. It comes natural.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And
Great.
there's been a lot of practice too.
Yeah, but you do it. Well, people, they do practice, but they don't have that special, inner strength that they can do it like the way you do it. You are one with the wave. I can see that.
Thank you.
You're great.
Do you want to take down my phone number?
Yes, please. Dennis, there's my son. Nene, I want to give him the video to Mike. we need his phone number so then I can send it to him.
So much.
Yeah, thank you so much for a beautiful morning.
If you guys ever want to learn to, I've done extra boards and stuff, like in the parking lot on the other side of, like, over there.
Yes.
Yeah, I've like foam boards and stuff in there.
Oh, that's great. Oh, yes. Yes.
The water's
It is.
actually still pretty warm.
Yes. I go in the water every single day.
Oh, that's
I
good.
walk,
Yeah.
morning, before sunset, all the time.
What's your name? Mike Davidson.